Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sign up WordPress updated. Click Create Account, enter your email, choose a plan, and confirm your details to begin. Next, pick a memorable site name and secure it with a strong password. Complete the verification step and review your plan features. Finally, log into your new dashboard and follow the setup prompts to launch your site. Select the right plan by matching features to your goals and budget in a calm, practical way. Free plans work for basics, while personal or business plans add storage, custom domains, and plugin support. Check traffic limits, backups, and email options so you avoid surprises. Consider starting with a monthly plan to test features before upgrading, and keep your renewal settings in mind to control. After choosing a plan, set up your account step by step with a friendly pace. Fill in your name and email, then create a strong password and complete the verification. Pick a site name that aligns with your brand and select a theme you like. Install essential plugins for backups and security and review privacy settings. Preview your site and make small edits until it feels ready to publish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.